The point of sale multi-category app allows you to manage your products with multiple categories in the Odoo point of sale. So now let's see how it actually works. After installing this module, let me get into that particular product, or you can see the product page where you can see all the products. So from here, let me get into one of the product. Under sales tab, we can see an option to add and multiple categories for each and every product. So for example, in this product I have added 2 categories like chair and office chair. Now let's see how it actually works in the point of sale session. So let me get into the point of sale. Let's open a new session. So I have added an office chair in the 2 categories, like this is the office chair that I have added. So from here you can see these are the categories that we have created. I have added the particular product in the chair as well as in that office chair. Now you can see that same product will be added in the 2 categories. So in this way we can make use of this module to add and multiple categories in the single product. Thank you for watching.